Hello and welcome to a new segment on this channel. This is
Kids in the Kitchen.
Kids in the Kitchen will be posted on the first and third Sundays of each month. Today we are making
Fruit and yogurt parfaits.
So this is what we're going to need. We have some fruit. You can choose whatever kind of fruit you want. Some yogurt. We chose vanilla. And then there's some cups. And then there's some whipped cream. And then we also have some granola. Everything is optional. You choose what kind of fruit you want to put in there. You choose what kind of yogurt you want to use. And then whatever extras you want. So the first thing we're going to do is Francisco's going to peel the orange. And Sarita's going to peel
Banana.
the banana.
Banana. We're going to do it fast. I'm doing it fast though.
And make sure your kids wash their hands before they touch the food.
which we did.
What do I do with these peels?
Just leave them on the side for now.
I don't like it.
Just leave it on the side for now.
But I put the banana.
Put it on here. And you can use a butter knife. Carefully. And cut it.
Cut it.
Oh, cut it into pieces that are going to be smaller.
I guess.
Best cutter ever.
Okay, hold it with this hand.
Hey.
Hold it with the other hand.
Hold it.
No, hold the banana with the other hand. And then use that hand to cut it.
I got it.
Francisco, you're not making them any better than she was. They gotta be like bite-sized pieces, guys. There you go. So now that all of our fruit is ready and our yogurt is open, we are going to start making our parfaits. So the first thing we're going to do is choose what fruit you want on the bottom and put a layer of that fruit. Quickly.
This one.
Okay, get some. And put a layer of that on the bottom. Is there a good layer?
Yeah.
Then you're going to get a spoonful of yogurt and put it on top of that.
Is it gonna be good?
Let me see. Put a little bit more so that you're covering.
Can I see?
Okay, and then you're going to get a different fruit and put it on top of that. So now once you have a good layer of that, you can put more yogurt on top of that.
To cover it.
And we're going to continue doing this until you have all the fruit and yogurt you want in there.
Bananas.
I want to put.
Okay, are you good on that? Do you want some granola?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Yes.
Thank you. It's good. It tastes like the nut cereal that you eat.
Can I have a bite?
No.
In a little bit. When it's your turn.
Okay.
And then again, it's optional. If you want whipped cream, you can put whipped cream. Don't put a lot. Because I said you have to push the thing.
What this?
Yes. Push it. That's good. Dude,
What?
you put it right in front of your thing. And that is what his parfait looks like. Now, we're going to have Little Miss make hers. Little Miss, what are you going to start with? Dude, you can ask me to pass it to you so you don't have to, like, keep knocking your cup over. Make a good layer. Is that good or you want more?
More.
Okay, I think that's a good layer. Now get some yogurt. You're fine. A little bit more.
That much?
Sure. Okay, now spread it around on top of your berries. Okay, now what are you going to put next? Okay. Are you copying your brother? Put as much as you want.
Okay.
You like blueberries? Okay, now put some more yogurt.
Okay.
You're gonna need more yogurt than that, silly girl.
You don't mind. Oh, that's good.
Go put a little bit more. Okay, now what are you gonna put? Some bananas.
So messed up.
Okay, I think that's good then, because you're not gonna have room for anything else if you keep putting. Go. Okay, put more yogurt too.
Me?
If you want some. If not, you don't have to.
No.
Now you're just gonna put some oranges on top. Are you having fun copying your brother? Yeah. You want oranges? I think that's enough. Okay. Do you want more yogurt on top, or are you gonna put granola? Or whipped cream? Whipped cream?
Both.
Well then get some.
What's these? Like,
Let her try it. Okay, I think that's good on the granola, babe.
I want to try one.
Okay. It's crunchy, huh? How is it?
Both.
Oh, on your thing. You have to turn it upside down. Here, I'll help you hold it.
Don't push that yet.
Francisco, there you go. Okay, that was a good whipped cream thing. Okay, hold on, guys.
No.
Okay, so now these are completed.
Yay, I don't have whipped cream.
Perfect.
Look at her whipped cream.
Mine. And we're gonna see what they think. Don't just eat the whipped cream. Don't just eat the whipped cream. Stick your spoon in and eat. Girly, you're making a mess. Stop spilling your whipped cream.
Now please have a napkin.
Okay, come on.
That's good.
Do you like it?
No.
Come on, Girly, I want you to take a real bite so I can see if you actually like your snack. Well, we're waiting for her to take a bite. If you like this video, please give it a... What did they say to give it?
A thumbs up.
Is it good, Sita? Comment down below what kind of fruit you like. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time. Tell them bye. Yeah, as you guys can see, they're enjoying their snack way too much to tell you guys bye.